Hello, blessed people. Hey, how you doing? I said, hey, how you doing? It's so nice to see you. I'm so glad you could join me today on YouTube. My name is Deshawn and you're watching Distinctively Deshawn. Today I'm cleaning my living room and I invite you to come along. So welcome to my home. This is for my folk that said, why you ain't do it in the last video? So I hope y'all sang. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Deshawn. And I do a little bit of mostly cleaning. I'm not even going to hold you. That's mostly what I do. But you might get a little bit of something else here and there. I do have something coming up soon, family. Your girl's been working. I've been working. Now, see, that's the thing, right? When we all know that I can't sing. But when I do start to sing, it gets out of control. Like the silly part of me comes out and then, sometimes I have outbursts. I don't really think that y'all want that. I really don't think that y'all want the outburst. Let me focus. So, as you can see, I'm doing my ceiling fan and it's very dirty. Very, very dirty. I already started using it even before I did that, and you can see the blackness on the actual cloth of it because it's just so much dust in this house. I hate spiders with a passion. When I say I hate them, I hate them. So I'm always doing like corners and nooks and crevices and all of the things because they can't live with me. They just can't. Okay, no type of insect, rodent, what have you. They can't stay here. So I'm doing a little here, there, and everywhere with the duster as needed. But y'all, I'm not going to talk too much. I'm going to try not to anyway. Sit back, relax, enjoy the video. Again, if you're new here, welcome to the channel. Thanks for joining me. I hope you stay to the end.
I just wanna reconnect. I've been missing you real bad. Hold inside my heart, 'cause that's where you belong. I got mental photographs reminding me what we had. I just wanna reconnect. It's been too long. I miss the way I trusted every word that you'd say. You never let me down. You told me yoke was easy, and it was. Where did I go wrong? Why did I leave? I got distracted. I couldn't see that you always had me. Now I believe that, yeah. I just wanna reconnect. I've been missing you real bad. Hold inside my heart, 'cause that's where you belong. I got mental photographs reminding me what we had. I just wanna reconnect. It's been too long.
I've been running for so long, this time I need to run to you. Each and every time I can't forget you brought me through. I need to hear your voice because you always tell the truth. I would really love to come and reconnect us too. I've had enough of the temporary pleasure, and I'm fed up with this life and all the pressure. With your love, come and calm the stormy weather for me, for me.
I just need to reconnect, yeah, yeah. Take time to reflect, yeah, yeah.
Can you help me pass this test?
Yeah, yeah. I don't want to second guess, no, no.
That with you is where I should be. Your presence is all that I need, and with you I have so much peace. So just come and connect with me, yeah, yeah, yeah.
I just wanna reconnect. I've been missing you real bad. Hold inside my heart, 'cause that's where you belong. I got mental photographs reminding me what we had. I just wanna reconnect.
It's been too long.
I got severe allergies, y'all. I had to turn on my air purifier. I usually do when I'm dusting and vacuuming because otherwise I'll be sneezing all night. My eyes will get red and itchy and watery and the whole shebang, and it would just be miserable. So I try to cut down on that as much as I possibly can. I'm super allergic to dust. I got my oversized moo on, y'all. Let me tell y'all, it might not be as oversized as it should be because I have definitely put on some weight and I have more chins right now than I can account for that I would like to have. Other than that, it really is one size fit all. Like it's super big, but it's so comfortable, and I'm just so excited that I'm wearing it. And I'm even more excited that it's $5. It was literally $5, and it just feels great. I just thought I'd share. I thought I'd share that information. I mean, we gotta be excited for one another. It's the little things in life. It really is.
No one else can love me like you do. Like you do. No one else can love me like you do. So whatever you tell me, that's the move. And whatever you tell me, that's the move. No one else can love me like you do. Like you do. No one else can love me like you do. So whatever you tell me, that's the move. And whatever you tell me, that's the move. I know that's the move, ayy. I'm doing what you say. You said if I seek you first, you got me. I said touche. Don't you see the birds up in the sky? Look at the blue jays. They don't so worry, but still they eat, cause I'm the food bank. Food bank. Your love, it never fails. I know it very well. Time after time after time after time again. You show me that you are enough for me. Gotta be the way you keep loving me. You stay blowing my mind. I won't ever find no one. You give up your life just to be in mine. I'm trying to do your will, cause life is better. Life is better. Go back to the old me, I could never. No one else can love me like you do. Like you do. No one else can love me like you do. So whatever you tell me, that's the move. And whatever you tell me, that's the move. No one else can love me like you do. Like you do. No one else can love me like you do. So whatever you tell me, that's the move. And whatever you tell me,
It's your boy Mike TEEZY. When it come to you, no one can love me like you love me. What you tell me I'ma do? Just like a trick you do with puppies. How you move, I wanna move. I be like, teach me how to duck you. You been there since the beginning, stuck with me when it was ugly. I down bad, but you came and picked me up. Out the mud, I was feeling empty, but you came and filled my cup. Yeah, many times that I fell on repeat. You talk, but I just ain't listen. When it comes to your LOV, just ain't no competition. Ay, I just wanna be with you. That's for the Jackie. I'm straight from no khaki lackey. I just gotta tell the truth. I searched all around for your love, but everyone was lacking. Yeah. He told me cast on my brain, it's on him, so I started unpacking. A lot of folks try, but I know that the fact is
no one else can love me like you do. Like you do. No one else can love me like you do. So whatever you tell me, that's the move. And whatever you tell me, that's the move. No one else can love me like you do. Like you do. No one else can love me like you do. So whatever you tell me, that's the move.
Fun fact, guys, I literally purchased that lime green candle that I'm lighting for decorative purposes only initially. Like, the scent of the candle was secondary to me. It was not the priority. And the fact that it smells good is a total bonus. Okay? Otherwise, it will probably never get lit. But as I was cleaning today, I found myself grateful because I remember a time where I literally would cry and pray to God, crying real tears for him to help me get my space cleaned. You know, having two small children, being a single mom, and just having so much going on, being a young single mom at that. Like, it used to be such a struggle. And I've learned through the years that just because something might be easy for some, it's not necessarily easy for others. But the Lord literally answered my prayer, because it has always been like an innate desire for me to be in a clean space. That was always part of who I was, but I just wasn't doing it, and I didn't have the mindset to do it at the time. But the Lord has helped me tremendously, and even you watching today, if you need a little motivation, I hope the video is doing that for you. But if you're struggling in that area as well, talk to God about it, because prayer really does change things. Well, guys, we've come to the conclusion of today's video. I hope you all enjoyed what you saw, and if you needed motivation to get your space in order and tidy, I hope this was just the motivation you needed to get you there. And if you were one who is struggling, like I mentioned I was earlier, I am going to be saying a prayer for you. Until next time, ciao.